Windows 2.0 is a 16-bit Microsoft Windows GUI-based operating environment that was released on December 9, 1987 and is the successor to Windows 1.0. Features: Windows 2.0 allowed application windows to overlap each other unlike its predecessor Windows 1.0, which could display only tiled windows. Windows 2.0 also introduced more sophisticated keyboard shortcuts and the terminology of minimize and maximize, as opposed to iconize and zoom in Windows 1.0. The basic window setup introduced here would last through Windows 3.1. Like Windows 1X, Windows 2X applications cannot be run on Windows 3.1 or up without modifications since they weren't designed for protected mode. Windows 2.0 was also the first Windows version to integrate the control panel. New features in Windows 2.0 included VGA graphics. It was also the last version of Windows that did not require a hard disk. The Windows 2X EGA, VGA, and Tandy drivers notably provided a workaround in Windows 3.0 for users who wanted color graphics on 8086 machines. EMS memory support also appeared for the first time. Application support: the first Windows versions of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel ran on Windows 2.0. Third-party developer support for Windows increased substantially with this version. However, most developers still maintained DOS versions of their applications, as Windows users were still a distinct minority of their market. Windows 2.0 was still very dependent on the DOS system and it still hadn't passed the 1 MB mark in terms of memory. There were some applications that shipped with Windows 2.0. They are CALC a calculator, Calendar a calendaring software, Cardfile a personal information manager, Clipboard a software for viewing the contents of the clipboard, Clock a clock, Control the system utility responsible for configuring Windows 2.0, Paint converted Paint files to the 2x format, MS-DOS a simple file manager, Notepad a text editor, Paint a raster graphics editor that allows users to paint and edit pictures interactively on the computer screen, Pyfdit a program information file editor that defines how a DOS program should behave inside Windows, Reversi a computer game of Reversi, Spooler the print spooler of Windows, a program that manages and maintains a queue of documents to be printed, sending them to the printer as soon as the printer is ready, Terminal a terminal emulator, Write a simple word processor, legal conflict with Apple. On March 17, 1988, Apple Incorporated filed a lawsuit against Microsoft and Hewlett-Packard, accusing them of violating copyrights Apple held on the Macintosh system's software. Apple claimed the look and feel of the Macintosh operating system, taken as a whole, was protected by copyright and that Windows 2.0 violated this copyright by having the same icons. The judge ruled in favor of Hewlett-Packard and Microsoft in all but 10 of the 189 patents that Apple sued for. The exclusive tenor could not be copyrighted, as ruled by the judge. References. External links, Guidebook, Windows 2.0 Gallery a website dedicated to preserving and showcasing graphical user interfaces, computerhope.com, Microsoft Windows History, Microsoft article with details about the different versions of Windows.